What's up, everyone? Good to see you guys and gals. We appreciate you all tuning back into the live stream. And yes, before you tune into the live stream, just remember, not financial advice. You all have to do your own research before doing anything. All right, so yes, let's go over today what ended up happening for today. Also, yes, we will be looking for some end of day swings. So yeah, pretty much just getting the list together. I already have a few things that I'm looking forward to, but yeah, just 1 second here. Gonna pull up this live chat, and then yeah, we're gonna tell the team we're on live. Looking for some end of day swings. All right, hold up. TikTok live now. All right, cool. Yo, what's up, everyone? Good to see you guys. All right, so yes, obviously, yeah, IWM. There was a small box on this 15-minute. That I did see, and then I ended up going down to a lower or higher time frame. So ended up seeing this on a 2-hour chart. There was this clear gap up here, no consolidation. We ended up getting that drop there. Person that final target ended up hitting. For something new, I don't really see anything. I would let it build a little bit of structure, but yeah, that's what I can see there. Yo, Jose, what's up, bro? So yeah, I know they were speaking today. I had a lot of news. Hold on, let's see. So yeah, FOMC statement. I don't know what they said though. I'll be completely honest. So I didn't watch it. All right, so yeah, we'll keep on going though. I'll be honest. So the Qs did pretty much the same thing, and I wasn't even looking at the Qs pretty much. For this full move here. So yeah, we did have this clear gap up, no consolidation. Obviously, yes, we did end up hitting this first little TP there, but we finally flushed all the way down to this 630 66 area. So as you can see, if we can get a close under that 632 again, maybe we could finish that move just a little bit slower this time. All right. So that is that. So that is on the Qs. Yeah. So that first little move here. This was just like some little lotto play here. Clear gap up. End up having a break. Obviously, yes, we end up hitting that TP, but yeah, that full move ended up happening there. All right. So yes, let's go over Tesla. Actually, I'm going to leave up CMG. All right. So let's get rid of this. So for Tesla, this was the first play that we had today, and I'll be honest, I had to miss this one because it happened pre-market, so I knew what I wanted, but a minute or two before market ended up opening, we ended up touching that first TP, and then yeah, the final smack, so I could insert on that, but screw that, that's kind of irrelevant since that already happened. What I'm looking at now, let's see. Go to a higher time frame. We'll break this down. Let's see. So yes, looking for some end of day swings. Personally, I won't swing this one. I don't think. Yeah, I don't really like anything there. That 24-hour. All right, let's see. Hold on. What I can see. So this is something that I would wait for. That's if we want to get this drop. Hopefully, maybe by tomorrow this happens. If it does want to drop. So yeah. We got this nice Potter box there. What I can see is, yes, under that 452.19, if we get that break under us, down to that 441. So yeah, looks really good. So pretty much the same exact concept here. Clear gap up. Doesn't look too bad. Entry, exit, middle of the move. We got exactly what we want here, and that is that, let's see, that 446 area. Yo, Milo, thanks for sharing live stream, bro. Really appreciate it. All right, so yes, we'll keep on going. So that is on Tesla. We do got a couple earnings plays for today, so yeah, I do want to pull up those. So yeah, we'll end up going over those two as well. Hold on, let's see. So what, today's Wednesday, so we got Microsoft and Meta. I'm gonna pull those up. Microsoft, Meta, see here. Let's see. We got Google, Starbucks. Yeah, we'll take a look here. All right, so honestly, I think I did like Starbucks here. I obviously, yes, it will be a definite lotto for sure. And no, not telling anyone to get into any trade, so please do your own research, not financial advice. S-Bucks. Not too bad. So that is what, right after close today? All right, cool. So if we do continue, you know, yeah, we got some empty space that is under us, so this clear gap up, no consolidation. We tried this on a 24-hour. Obviously, if we want to reverse, I could easily see us going back up to that 87.25. So pretty much both ways I could see it. Maybe a little higher up to the 89.76. But yeah, I do like the downside. Looks pretty good. Yo, Milo, thanks for posting the link. All right, 1 second here. Changing that. All right, so we got Google 2. Honestly, I don't think I'm going to take this one just because there's nothing really stopping us. I get it. We could end up getting that, you know, crazy continuation. Google, I personally won't take it. I get we do have earnings on it. We could end up going up. But yeah, as you can see here, yeah, still empty space. So whenever we want to come back down, I would definitely be interested in trying this. So under that 267 down into that 261. So yeah, pretty much same thing, empty space. Not too bad. Looks really good. Sitting video still hasn't filled. Dang, that's crazy. Let's see here. So entry, exit, middle of the move. We got exactly what we want here. So 264. So yeah, that's what I can see there. That is on Google. I personally won't be taking that though. But if that does happen, that's what I can see. All right, so we got that. Also looking at a couple other ones as well. Hold on. So Starbucks, kind of like that. Looks good. Nike. All right, we got CVNA. Hold on. So this is the day after close. CVNA. Yeah, we got to go over Meta too. Let's take a look here. So yeah, pretty much every single day, each trade is exactly the same. We don't change anything. Obviously, you can see what we did today. So looking for the same exact plays, but just for some swings instead of day trades. But see what happened on Amazon. Nice little beautiful entry there. You can see what happened on IWM. So gave itself a couple times. I did miss the upside though. But yeah, downside for the puts was really good. You see a couple members there. IWM puts, 800 bucks there. Shout out to Dwarf Trader as well. Yeah, so nice little day. Lunch on me. Shout out to KSDS for catching both sides. So yeah, pretty nice little day there. So you can see Amazon, pretty much empty space. We're targeting to the empty space there. Same thing both ways. So looking for both sides. All right, so for Meta, let's take a look here. Let's go to a higher time frame. Purple Bitcoin is... All right, so Meta. Okay, this is what I can see. Hold on. 24, yeah, let's stick with the 24-hour chart. As of right now, okay, before you say anything, I get it. This is not really a box. This is more of a range, I would say, since it's a little bigger. But yes, right above us, 760 area. If we get this continuation, I get it. Yes, we have earnings on this. That's if we do want to go up. Not saying that it will. So yes, you all have to do your own research, not financial advice. But yeah, if we get that nice break, 759 up to that 780. So the entry and then the exit, middle of the move. Got exactly what we want here. Looks really good. All right, so yeah, that's on Meta. Okay, I do see a couple good ones. All right, so let's look at TTD. So I am waiting on this. I do want to see where we're at on this. All right, so yeah, we're we're nowhere near entry on this. I'm not touching this at all. Thursday, November. Okay. He said full port. That's crazy. All right, so yeah, for TTD, this is what I'm seeing. I still like it. I got my alert set on this, so I won't miss it, or hopefully I won't. But yeah, above that 55.35, looking for that 88.12. But yeah, not ready yet since we're in that consolidation zone. All right, so want to look at RIVN. I want to see where we're at too as well. So yeah, I think we're still in that box, or we're back in that box here. So do want this, or I did want this end of day. Honestly, it looks good. We had that nice close above, but we'll have to see how last hour will bring if we're still in this box here. Definitely nothing for me. Obviously, above that 13.75, get that nice continuation to the upside. So yeah, not too bad, not too bad. So pretty much the same exact plays, clear gap down. Obviously, this candle determines a lot for me right now. It's either I enter or I don't. So clear gap down, we end up going to the empty space. Same thing, clear gap up, we go into this empty space to the downside. And we end up getting a couple plays. Shout out to all the members there. So you can see what happened on. Shout out to Yaz, ended up catching that IWM. Caught in a video too, that's wild. But yeah, pretty nice little day there. As for right now, so Starbucks, Google, CBNA, RIVN, back into the box. We do need a break outside, so that's what I can see. Check on SPY. All right, so yeah, I got you. Let's see on SPY. I'll be honest, that target ended up hitting. There is a little bit more empty space that we kind of already targeted into, which was this. So it looks like we ended up hitting that 683. So yeah, there was another little box here on a lower time frame, this 30-minute, 1 hour. But yeah, I wanted to go a lot lower. Pretty wild. All right, so yeah, that's on SPY. Okay, let's keep on going here. We'll take a look at a couple other ones. So I do see a couple ones that I do like end of day. We'll have to see. So do want to go over Coke and then eBay. So eBay has earnings too. eBay. Yo, what's up everyone? Good to see you guys. Really appreciate you all tuning back in. All right, so eBay, we end up, yeah. So it looks like, you know, those targets end up hitting. Personally, I don't want to take this. Okay, I can see the upside. But for the downside, if we do end up dropping here, yeah, this is what I can see, which honestly doesn't look too bad. We do have empty space below us, but that's if we want to drop, of course. So nice top, bottom wall here. If we get this nice break under this wall, got some empty space below us, so it looks really good down to this 78.32. So yeah, it looks really good. Entry, exit, middle of the move. So if we do end up dropping, yeah, that's what I can see. That's on eBay. Doesn't look too bad. Did I do Nike already? No, I didn't. Yeah, we can go over that too. So NKE. Good to see you, bro. And yes, give me 1 second, guys. Gonna give me some more water. I'm literally out right now, so you guys know the drill. And yes, if you do want to join the Discord, you can join the free chat or the VIP chat. Honestly, join the free chat. Say how you like it. VIP, we do have that discount code that will be ending soon too. So put bros 30. You can see that in the free Discord. All right, yes, 1 second here. Just make sure you do your own research before doing anything. All right, 1 second. I'll be right back. Now's the time to drop your request. We'll be going over pretty much everything. Yo, what's up, everyone? All right, yeah, I'm back. Let's see here. Yo, Crazy Cat Lady, what's up? Good to see you. Yo, Crazy, thanks for the follow. Let me see. So we got to go over what? Nike, Spy. I do want to go over Coke. Please stay here. Okay. And then we'll go over what? Lulu. All right, cool. Yes, we will take a look. Of course. All right, so for Nike, it looks like, yeah, we ended up having this drop here. Well, it's pretty obvious. I think I did this on a 1 hour though. So yeah, I'll be honest, I'm not in this trade, but it looks like this one ended up working out. So there was this gap here. We ended up getting that break down into that 64.65. So it looks like we're pretty much approaching that TP. So pretty much right at that amount. So this is where price could end up rejecting. If we do continue on this 1 hour time frame, I would see us down to that 64.65. But yeah, I'll be honest, there is a bigger move below that. Possibly down into this 61.64 if we end up getting that continuation. But we gotta get past that 64.65 area. So yeah, that's just what I'm seeing. Looks like, yeah, we're pretty much at this imbalance. The price can end up rejecting. So that's what I can see. That is on Nike. All right, so Lulu, yeah, this one we got outside the box. Obviously, yes, it tried its best. We almost touched that TP there. We were like $1 away. We end up getting that break below. Personally, I want to start fresh on this on a lower time frame to see where we're currently at. Oh, actually, hold on. Yeah, it doesn't look, it doesn't look terrible. All right, so yeah, what I can see here, and yeah, same exact thing, just like all of our plays. How we were able to catch IWM today. Empty space. Honestly, that looks really good. That looks pretty fire. All right, so yeah, that's on Lulu. So down into that 164.64. That looks decent. So kind of like the plays that we had today, right? Obviously, clear gap up, no consolidation. We have that nice break below. See, a couple members ended up hitting that. A couple plays. So yeah, nice little entries there. Lunch on me, all. But yeah, and also you can see where we ended up posting it again for the second round. IWM Lotto puts. Posted this about an hour ago or so. See the 4 there. And you can see, yes, we end up dropping into those TPs. So that was pretty much that. All right, so we'll keep on going. Can I do Spy? All right, so for Spy, let's see. Yeah, we'll go to maybe a 4. No, maybe not a 4 hour. Actually, maybe a 4 hour. Yeah, maybe a 4 hour. 4 hour looks good. 4 hour. 4 hour. 1 hour. Okay, actually, all right. The 4 hour and the 1 hour looks good. For 4 hour, this would be like a lotto for sure. This is what I can see. So this top is not really all right, or is it? This might be a nice little box here. Right under us, we got a little bit of empty space, so I would need a strong close outside of here. So right now we're still stuck in that box. So if we're in consolidation, you guys know that by now. No entry, not gonna do anything, just gonna wait. But we break outside, we got that empty space, so we'll see. Hold on. All right, let's see here. All right, down from that 685 to that 677. But yeah, we got to break outside that wall there. Let's just say if we do end up gapping down on this, so boom, let's just say tomorrow, not saying that it will, so yes, please do your own research. But if we do end up gapping down tomorrow, there's also another little box here. So this is also a move that I would definitely look forward to. I'm not sure about you, but me, I definitely would. There's a nice little gap here that I would definitely like to see. So just like all of our plays, all of our trades, shout out Fabby, shout out to all the members. Gotta give the members some likes. But yeah, you can see what a few of the members end up doing, especially on those IWM puts. It gave us beautiful entries. See a couple members there, IWM, different member there, IWM puts, same thing here. Clear gap up. You can see when we post the plays, post the trades, we end up getting in. Obviously, the first play I called out today ended up hitting before market open, so I had to miss out on that one. But yeah, the only play that didn't want to work was what gap today. He said, I sold my IWM puts 10 minutes before that drop. Man, that's crazy. That's wild. All good, man. So, you know, there's always going to be more opportunities, so. Yo, Chad, what's up? Are you going to spam the chat today? I might play one. I got to look at some contracts. I kind of like Starbucks, but I don't know. I gotta look at the cons. Maybe I should do that now. It's all good, Chad. No worries. No hate. I mean, if you want to join them, that's cool. But I'm stuck in CMG, so I have to play it. Oh, okay. I see what you're saying. I had a tight stop loss on gold. Got hit and then went down. Oh wow, man. All right, so 1 second here. All right, all right. Where's the Discord link? So yeah, the Discord link is in my bio. So yes, the link is in my bio. You can join the free chat. The free chat is there. VIP chat, we do have that 30% off code that will be ending soon too. So just put bros 30. But yeah, if you even just want to join the free chat, it's there. Talk to the members if you have any questions. Either I or one of the mods will answer it. Everyone here is pretty cool. But yeah, you can see how we pretty much post plays. If they hit, cool. If they don't hit, that's fine. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Coke is different than KO, yes. Lulu actually looks really good. But yeah, so yeah, KO and Coke are pretty much two different things. So yeah, don't get that mixed up. All right, so on Coke, this is what I can see here. Let's take a look. 1 second. Okay, hold on. I do see something on the 4 hour, but I do want to look at a higher time frame so I can respect the higher time frame. All right. Let's see here. I'll be honest. I only like that 4 hour. The 4 hour looks good. I can see on the higher time frame there's a lot of more empty space above us. There's just not really a box, not really structured the way I would want it to. But the 4 hours, not badly structured, I could say. Yes, right above us, we got empty space here. So if we get that nice 129.40 break, do want to see that empty space above us. Clear gap down, no consolidation here. Get this nice break. Top, bottom wall there. Empty space above. So that's if we can get it outside of this wall here. So for Coke, if we go up, I can see up to that 129 and possibly hitting those imbalance and then that 132.82 area. Honestly, doesn't look terrible. Not too bad. We'll just have to see how things play out. All right, 1 second here. All right, so yeah, that's on Coke. Deck. All right, so we'll take a look at DECK. All right. So for there, we got this empty space below us. It looks like we're hitting some sort of play. I'm personally not in this, but hold on. Okay, yeah, it looks like we ended up. Hold on. All right, so yeah, it looks like we had a box here. So yeah, there was a little box here. We ended up getting that break under that wall here, under that 94.83. It looks like we hit that 88.6. So my first target, that imbalance, looks like that was already hit. But as you can see, yes, if we can get that continuation, let's see, down into that 81.95. That, yeah, that's what I can see there. That'll be my final. But yeah, I'll be honest, I'm not in this one. But yeah, it would have been a nice one for sure. But yeah, we're in a couple other ones. I'll be honest, I do not even remember charting this one up. But yeah, it looks like it worked out. Yo there, guy, what's up? This is the Money Printing Discord. Blessings to all you guys. Thanks, Leo. No worries, man. Keep up the great work, bro. So yeah, nice little calm day. All right, so yeah, nice little day here. Obviously, you know, if one trade doesn't work, I get out, or you know, we get out. Boom. If another trade works, so you can see what we did on Amazon. IWM ended up giving a couple entries both ways, actually. See a nice little day today for the members and I. So yeah, we'll see how things play out. So I do see a couple good ones. Lulu, I do like this one, but this one will kind of be a chase. I'll be honest. The only reason is it's kind of already close to that imbalance. Maybe if we pull back, end of day, we got to pull back to an entry area. Then yeah, I'll definitely consider it. But I don't know if I want to be a hero right now since we since we did pretty decent. I don't know if I want to be Superman right now. So I'll leave this one alone. I'm only gonna go with the clear setups, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So Nike still has that way down as well. So yeah, we do see a couple decent trades that don't look too bad. So yeah, not bad at all. All right, so SPY, where are we at? IWM for tomorrow. All right, so IWM for tomorrow, what am I looking at? Personally, we might have to let it build a little bit of structure. Maybe I could take it back up to the upside. So we'll have to see. Yo, Olivia, what's up? Nokia, so I think that's what, just NOK? Yeah, NOK. For Nokia, let's see. All right, looks like I already have something up here. I'm not sure what it is. Let's go to a higher time frame, weekly. All right. No, I don't know what that is. All right, so I think that was on a 1 month chart, if I'm not mistaken. That could have been on a 1 month. All right, hold on 1 second here. Okay, yeah, that was. So yeah, this is what I see here. So there is that empty space. So pretty much the same thing here. We got a nice top all there, nice bottom all here. Still right above us. So above that 1597, we get that break. I would like that empty space up to that 2361. So entry, exit, middle of the move. We got exactly what we want here. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad. So we'll see how that plays out. Clear gap down there. That's what I would like to see. So yeah, right now we're we're not close yet. We're getting there, but yeah, it's going to take some time. So yeah, that's just what I see. But yes, guys and gals, thank you all so much for tuning back into the live stream. Found a couple good setups for end of day. So as of now, yes, got to do some typing inside the Discord. So yes, if you guys do want to join the free chat's there. We do have that discount code that will be ending soon. You can see that in free chat as well. But yes, thank you all so much for tuning in. I'll either see you inside the Discord or in my free live stream tomorrow morning before market opens. So yes, I'll either see you in the Discord or on the next live stream. Have a blessing, guys. In Jesus' name, amen. See you all.